How gardening improves your health. Working in and eating from a home garden can do a great deal to improve your health. Not exclusively would you be able to get truly necessary everyday workout, you can likewise also get vegetables from your garden for your daily meal. In the event that you are keen on improving your health, you should concentrate on getting out into your garden routinely. Figuring out how to grow plants and doing the physical movement required to develop them can mix it up in quality to your eating routine, just as to your physical daily schedule. Focus in and get burrowing, planting, and weeding this spring and summer. Here's the manner by which watching out for your garden beds will profit you over the long period. Number 1. You can get healthiest vegetables and fruits from gardening. When arranging out your garden, you should choose an assortment of plants and vegetables that will improve your health and make you stronger. Having a variety of leafy foods and fruits to look over will permit you to have a shifted sound eating routine consistently. A few vegetables and fruits that are generally very easy to grow, depending on your atmosphere, incorporate tomatoes, lettuce, peas, beans, squash, and cucumbers. Begin with a couple of these on the off chance that you are new to gardening. Growing a few herbs, for example, chives, tomatoes, squash and thyme can be simple too. These herbs can truly upgrade the kind of the vegetables that you grow. When arranging out your garden, you additionally need to take your soil, the sun presentation of your garden, and your atmosphere into thought. Number 2. Working in garden burns a lot of calories. Uplifting news for the individuals who as of now go through hours planting perennials. Gardening is viewed as moderate force workout. You can burn 340 calories doing 1 hour of light cultivating and yard work, more than strolling at a moderate pace for a similar measure of time, as indicated by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. People who took an interest in a network planting program likewise had essentially lower BMIs than their in any case comparable neighbors, as indicated by a recent report in the American Journal of Public Health. Number 3. Gardening can lighten the stress and maintain your blood pressure. Spending time in the garden helps you to clear your mind and relinquish tension. It can be particularly helpful for those who need time to recover from mental fatigue and those who find satisfaction from the care required by gardening. Because gardening helps to relieve your stress, it can actually reduce your blood pressure. Only 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week can prevent and control high blood pressure. In fact, the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institutes suggest that 30 to 45 minutes of gardening or rake leaves be used to show how the recommended amount should be reached. Number 4. Gardening can improve your long-term brain health. Not only does gardening enhance your mental health right when you do it, it will improve your brain health in the longer term. Gardening, for example, has been found to reduce dementia in the aged, because it activates areas of the brain that are related to memory and creativity. Gardening will also enhance mental health for people with dementia. Dementia-related anger issues have been found to be reduced.